Hello parents, this is Miss Wong. I just wanted to kind of walk you through how to go through Launchpad. So I'm on the website. It is launchpad.ocps.net. If you are there, you're going to see the big OCPS sign right here. Your child's username and password is the student number and the birthday. I'm going to put thank you Theodora's mom for letting me use her account to use that. So I'm going to be using Theodora's account from my class to kind of walk you through how you would access everything. So I'm going to click on, after I put my information, if you want to do auto login, that's fine. If you want to do the blue button, that's okay. So once you get to the Launchpad, I see that there's Canvas and then iReady. If you go on Library Research Tool, I see the AR that they can do. And then also BrainPop is right there. If your child uses Imagine Learning, it's right here. And then also the important one will be Reflex. So those are the things that I want you to know. Now notice how there is Skyward. This is where you can access your child's grades and all that good information there. So I'm going to click on so this is what we have for Launchpad. So I'm going to click on Canvas because that's the main source that I will be communicating with you guys. So I'm on the Canvas. I clicked on it and then notice how there's a couple courses. I'm going to be using my language art course. So I'm going to click on that. That's where you're going to see all the assignments that's assigned to you. Now once you are there, you're going to see Miss Wong. Welcome to Miss Wong's class. And then if you go under modules, this is where I'm going to put up stuff for weekly basis. So module 1 goes from March 30th to April 3rd. And the next week will be the module 2, which will be underneath. Now, once you're there, notice how there's the Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then when you click on Monday, if you start from there, I will usually put the information right here saying, welcome, this is my expectation for that day. So obviously I'm still working on it, but this is where you're going to see all those expectations of what I want your child to do. Once you click on next, it will bring up another assignment. Notice how I'm going to date and put the date on top so you guys are not confused. So please try not to work ahead of me. You are staying with me now. The one that says New CLA, when I get there, it will say load new CLA in a new window. So I'm going to, so let me go back to module. And then notice how underneath there is the due date. So I'm going to click on new CLA. This is not real assignment. I'm going to delete it later, but I just wanted to show you how you're going to navigate through. So new CLA, I'm going to click on it since it's due on Monday. And then I'm going to click on load new CLA to new window. Once you do that, new CLA will load for you. You don't have to log in. You don't have to do anything. And then it will say, okay, this is my assignment. So I'm going to click on the reading. And I'm going to be doing my assignment. Notice how there's activity next to it. You can write or quiz. If you are writing the response, make sure you're clicking on Language Arts, not the other one. So I am actually getting the response that I need. And also, if you click on, go back and click on Quiz, it will give you a couple comprehension questions that your student can do at home. So I'm going to go down. If you highlight a sentence, if I highlight a sentence or two, if I do that, it will give you the annotation option, which I can write something, my thoughts, or I can color code it however you want. So there will be something that you can do. You can encourage your child to do at home. Then you're going to do the reading first, and then you're going to take the quiz. Now here is practice power words. You can do that as well. So that's my suggestion, or that's what you're going to do with New CLA. So once you're done, submit it, you're just going to simply get out. And after you get out, it says this tool successfully loaded, which means you did a good job. After I'm done with the assignment, I'm just going to go back to my module tab. Once you go back to your module tab, you are going to see the one that says also I want to show you how you access Nearpod. So let's say I assign something for your child to do on the 1st. It says April 1st. So I'm going to click on Nearpod. Same thing happens, load Nearpod in a new window. You're going to click on that, and then the lesson will pop up. Okay, your child's name is already on there, don't worry about it, and you're just going to click join session. Now as your child goes through, that your child has to take the quiz and all that, your child will not see the answer right away, and I have to send that answer out later, but your child will say where's the difference between 909 355, which will be 545, and then you're gonna your child will simply click it, submit, go through, and then this is a draw, and you guys can draw it and do something and then upload it to me, and I'll get to see that later. And then quiz again, and then 5 quiz, and then I just want to go and then submit anyway. And then if you want to open the navigator to see where your child is, obviously this is something that I meant to be. So I'm on here where it says learning target, and then if I go next, it will bring up a video for your child to watch. So sometimes that will happen as you are going through the lesson. All you have to do is click on it, and then it will give you the lesson. It's having a hard time loading. So it will give you the lesson. You just have to listen and follow through, and then get out and then go back on the assignment. So once you're done with all of it, you are going to simply again get out and then go back. So go back to modules. Once you are so make sure you're on top of the dates that you have here, which I will note that this is when I want you to do certain things, and then that will be pretty much it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. So everybody, hopefully you guys will stay safe. Bye.